Did you know that weak pelvic muscles could be the hidden reason behind lower back pain, poor posture, and even erectile dysfunction? Most men focus on building biceps and abs but completely ignore one of the most important muscle groups in their body, the pelvic floor. If you want to improve your strength, stamina, and even boost your confidence in the bedroom, then you need to start working on your pelvic muscles today. But here's the real question. What are the best exercises to strengthen these muscles, and how do they impact your overall health? Stay with me until the end, because today, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful exercises that can transform your core strength, enhance bladder control, and even improve your intimate performance. And trust me, once you start incorporating these into your routine, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. And here's something you might not know, your pelvic muscles are not just about sexual health. They are directly linked to your posture, lower back strength, and overall flexibility. So, whether you want to prevent embarrassing leaks, get rid of chronic back pain, or simply feel stronger in your daily life, these exercises are your secret weapon. But before we dive into the first exercise, let's quickly understand what the pelvic floor muscles actually do and why they are so important. Understanding the pelvic floor muscles. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles located at the base of your pelvis. These muscles support your bladder, intestines, and in men, the prostate. They are responsible for controlling urination, supporting bowel movements, and even playing a crucial role in sexual function. When these muscles are weak, you may experience issues like urinary incontinence, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and even lower back pain. Now, here's the shocking part. Most men don't even realize their pelvic muscles are weak until they start facing these problems. But the good news? You can strengthen them at any age with the right exercises. So, let's get started with the first and most effective exercise. Exercise number 1. Kegel exercises, the foundation of pelvic strength. If you could do just one exercise to strengthen your pelvic floor, it should be Kegels. These are the most effective and scientifically proven exercises to improve bladder control, enhance sexual performance, and strengthen your core from the inside out. So, how do you do them? First, you need to locate your pelvic floor muscles. The easiest way to do this is by trying to stop your urine midstream. The muscles you engage while doing this are your pelvic floor muscles. But here's the key, don't practice Kegels while urinating too often, as it can lead to incomplete emptying of the bladder. Once you've identified the right muscles, here's how you do Kegel exercises properly. 1. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles and hold for about 5–10 seconds. 3. Release the muscles slowly and relax for the same amount of time. 4. Repeat this 10–15 times per session, and aim for 3 sessions per day. Now, here's where most men go wrong. They engage the wrong muscles, like the abs or thighs. Make sure you are only tightening your pelvic floor muscles, not your stomach or buttocks. By practicing Kegels consistently, you'll notice better bladder control, stronger erections, and improved core stability within a few weeks. Exercise number 2. Squats. More than just leg workouts. Think squats are just for building leg muscles? Think again. Squats are actually one of the best full-body exercises that also target the pelvic floor muscles. When you perform a squat, you naturally engage your pelvic muscles along with your glutes, thighs, and core. This means you're not only strengthening your legs but also reinforcing your pelvic muscles at the same time. Here's how to perform squats correctly. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. 3. Slowly lower yourself as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees aligned with your toes. 4. Engage your core and pelvic muscles as you push yourself back up to a standing position. 5. Repeat for 3 sets of 12–15 reps. Pro tip: to maximize pelvic engagement, pause for a second at the bottom and squeeze your glutes as you rise. After just a few weeks of squatting, you'll feel more power in your lower body, better posture, and stronger pelvic control. Exercise number 3. Bridge exercise. Unlock your core strength. Here's a little known fact. A weak pelvic floor can lead to a weak lower back. If you've been struggling with back pain or poor posture, the bridge exercise is a game changer. This exercise not only strengthens your pelvic muscles but also your glutes, lower back, and core, making it a must-have in your routine. Here's how you do it. 1. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. 2. Place your hands by your sides for support. 3. Tighten your pelvic muscles and slowly lift your hips towards the ceiling. 4. Hold for 5-10 seconds at the top, squeezing your glutes and pelvic muscles. 5. Slowly lower yourself back down and repeat 12-15 times. Why is this exercise so powerful? Because it directly engages the entire pelvic region, improves blood flow, and strengthens the muscles that support your bladder and prostate. Exercise number 4. Deadlifts, the ultimate strength builder. If there's one powerful exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, it's the deadlift. While most people associate deadlifts with back and leg strength, they also activate the pelvic floor muscles in a big way. By lifting heavy weights with proper form, you build core stability, hip strength, and a rock-solid pelvic floor. Here's how to perform deadlifts safely. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells. 2. Hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight as you lower the weight towards the floor. 3. Engage your pelvic and core muscles as you lift the weight back up. 4. Repeat for 3 sets of 8-12 reps. By adding deadlifts to your routine, you'll not only improve your posture and reduce back pain but also build an incredibly strong pelvic foundation. Now that you know the best exercises to strengthen your pelvic floor, the only question is, are you ready to take action? Neglecting these muscles can lead to serious health issues, but by consistently doing these exercises, you can improve your bladder control, posture, back strength, and even your confidence in the bedroom. Start today, stay consistent, and within a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. Did you find this video helpful? If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health and fitness tips. See you in the next video.